Hey, factory update. We're going to be making some big moves here. We're getting ready to move the SeaPod, which is right there. It looks awesome. It's just like the renders that you've been seeing for the last 2.5 years now, more than that. So it is coming along very nicely. This is the prototype version. The production version will be ready pretty soon to go into production. So it's very, very cool. So now we've reinforced it, it's all assembled. Now we're going to move it out of the factory, and then we're going to move, right now I'm standing on the floor of the EcoPod. So we need to get this EcoPod inside the factory, and then we're going to put the roof on top, and then we can start doing all the interior finishing. So things are going to start looking pretty beautiful on the insides over the next probably 2 to 4 weeks. And then we're going to finish up the outside, so it's going to be like, wow, beautiful. Very exciting. Very exciting to see things coming together and getting to the point where we can actually, it's really cool to be able to put our feet on the actual pod that we're building, and brings so much more reality to it, because it's actually not just there, but we can actually climb up on it, walk around, and envision what it's going to be like being on the water, or if you have a green pod on land, then you can actually start to imagine what this is going to be like, and we're all very excited.